He learned acting by selling cotton. Two of the biggest things that drive life are hunger and emotion. The emotion of love, of a tender heart that yearns and becomes restless to relieve someone's suffering. And this hunger makes a person do things that might seem impossible even in 7 lifetimes. Today we are going to talk about someone you might know. If you are interested in web series or are active on social media, then you must know Ashok Pathak. There was an imperial Ashok in Bihar, and Ashok Pathak is also an imperial in his own life. He is from Bihar and his parents, fed up with poverty, moved to Haryana where his father found work, but with great difficulties because he was not educated. However, he wanted his son to study. In India, parents have high hopes for their eldest son and eldest child. Ashok didn't take any acting classes. To be honest, you never learned anything by just taking classes. There has to be earning to learn, and this earning will teach you everything you want to learn, and for this you couldn't need to cross 7 seas. Ashok Pathak learned acting in a similar way. He says that he learned acting while selling cotton, and you need to act even to sell something. If I talk about acting as I understand it, the skill of acting is extremely important to express your inner emotion in the right way and to make them impactful. Acting is a skill to present your inner emotion to someone in an impactful way. Ashok believes that life should be simple and not very complicated. When life is simple, the path to greater heights becomes easier. Ashok never enjoyed studying. School books seemed quite boring to him, and his parents were worried. Once his brother was ill, he thought of helping his family and then started working with a relative selling cotton. He said that this is where he learned the initial lesson of acting. He said, I had to sell cotton, so I had to act in different ways to persuade people. Sometimes people would buy it out of pity after seeing my condition. In an interview, he said many parents advise their children, don't associate with him or you will be ruined. In fact, I was the kind of child whose company other parents wanted to keep their children away from. My father was hurt by this, but my inner feelings kept me going. I saw my father's hard work. I saw the condition of my family. I continued with the cotton selling business. The hard work involved in selling cotton was one thing, but the money he earned opened a new path, the path of cinema. With this money, Ashok Pathak started going to movie theater to watch films, and he even got beaten by his father for it. But his love for cinema didn't dismiss. He somehow managed to pass 12th grade, but he didn't know what to do next. On the advice of his friends, Ashok enrolled in graduation. After this, a major turning point in his life began. When he started reading literary books while preparing for a play in college, he realized that this is what he wanted to read, and he started spending hours in the library. It often happens in life that children find syllabus books boring. The reality is that often an event, film, story or character with a literary essence changes your lives. No one has achieved success or recognition slowly on the basis of the syllabus. It is a means to an end. It is only a way. The hunger and yearning to reach that destination are essential emotional, and literature is another name for emotion things. emotional things. After the play, the thoughts come to my mind and I wanted to act, but I didn't just want to get up and go to Mumbai. I wanted to prepare for it. He wanted to get admission to the National School of Drama in Delhi, but this is a regret that still stays with him. He said that he couldn't get admitted there even after 2 attempts, and gradually it started to feel like nothing would ever work out for him. Exhausted and disheartened, she started working again, but his heart was still set on cinema. He said that his family encouraged him, but many people told him you don't have the looks for a hero who will give you work there. But a dream is a dream. After that, he made one more attempt and enrolled in the Bharatiya Natya Academy in Lucknow, and after completing his studies, he headed to Mumbai, the city of dreams. Recalling his initial years in Mumbai, Ashok Pathak quoted a dialogue from the Hollywood film The Shawshank Redemption: "Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies." He said that the world runs on hope, and his initial days in Mumbai were good, but then come a time when nothing seemed to be working out. Ashok Pathak said, "I was only getting roles as a driver, a dhaba owner, or a guard. I was fed up with this, but I continued working in Punjabi cinema, and that's how I managed to make a living." Ashok Pathak has appeared in several films, including Bittu Boss, Shanghai, Shudra, The Rising, The Second Best Exotic, Marigold Hotel, and Photograph. But he achieved success with web series. The character of Vinod in Panchayat brought him the popularity he had been seeking for a long time. He also appeared in the film Sister Midnight with Radhika Apte, which premiered at the Cannes Film Festival. Ashok Pathak said he didn't expect to gain popularity from Panchayat, but when the Dekh Raha Hai Vinod dialogue went viral, he felt that something was changing. He cried a lot after seeing the love he received from the audience. However, Ashok Pathak also mentioned a paradox. He said that initially, after watching Panchayat, he received many messages and phone calls from people. They thought he wasn't an actor but a needy person from a village. He said, "On one hand, I was happy that my acting came across as so natural, which is why I was receiving such messages. While on the other hand, I wondered if this was perhaps the reason I hadn't been noticed until now." What is your opinion on this video?